ending 3.
I keep forgetting that there's a different ending. This one's like more on the disturbing and weird end.
I love this
like
one.
These colors.
Holy shit. This is sick. This is Maxim the Hormone? This is the best one so far as far as I'm concerned. That was sick. That was the best ending so far.
The song was necessarily.
Are you kidding me?
For like the first half, I liked like the second half of the song, but it was really cool, and I loved all the colors and stuff.
Yeah.
Like especially that one.
Like this part at the beginning.
Yeah, like that part, and especially like the one shot where it's like kind of orange too. I think after that, yeah, that one.
Yeah.
It's really it looks really nice.